Hi guys, today we're gonna tie the SloMo Shrimp fly, a small shrimp for the sea-run brown trouts on the coast. I tie this fly with a foam bag, still a weighted fly, so it will go down in the water level and be suspending. So when you make a stop in the stripping, the fly will just be in the same water level. So you can fish really slowly and over shallow water, and perfect for the cold month. Tie this fly on a light stinger hook, size 4. Give it a bit weight. Tying in some mallet. And I use some craft fur. I'm going to tie in some small antennas. I use this wrist fiber here. Very thin nylon, fluorescent. Put it in double. Take the rest back to secure. And cut it in different length. And I have some dubbing, have some really fluorescent SSS dubbing from fjord flies, and I have some light shade rainbow dubbing from hairline. Mix it together. Tie it in the back here as a good base for my eyes. Brush it out. I'll use some black shrimp eyes for this one. Use the easy shrimp eyes, size medium. Then I put in my monofile, use it as a rib to put on the foam bag in a minute. Just give it a bit glue, so just secure the fly so it can catch a lot of fish. Then I have a rooster cape. This one is in badger salmon. Take one of the big feathers. Take out a small bundle and tie it in the top here. Then I just take the feather and strip on in one of the sides. And then I use the rainbow dubbing for the body. And then I just take my haggle feather. Cross out the dubbing between the fibers. Make a good spot for the foam shield on the top of the fly. I have those small pre-cut foam shields. Fits perfect for the size medium. This hook size 4. I tie it in with a mono thread. It's easier than using a normal thread because you can easily cut the foam into pieces with a thin thread. So always use this medium size monofile as a rib. Secure it a bit with some super glue. And then cross out the dubbing and the fibers, so we have a more brushy fly. Have a small needle to get out the frozen fibers in the back. And if there's some small fibers on the feather, take them out too. Really effective fly when the fish is cold and spooky to catch. You can just let it be in the same water level when you make it stop. So it's not a floating fly with the foam, it's just suspending so it goes down in the water level, but slowly. Yeah, give it a try.
Perfect.